Hi there. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. So today I am turning myself into a cat. Not just a cat, the Cheshire cat. So I am absolutely obsessed with how this turned out. I've never done eye makeup that looks this good along with this going on. I just think it looks absolutely great and I'm so excited that I was able to do this. So if you guys are looking for a Halloween look, just follow along. I'm gonna start by sketching this out. I'm gonna be doing it with just some black liner. This is the Laura Geller one, but I want to sketch out this part of my face first, just because I feel like depending on how the mouth turns out is how I'm gonna want to do my eyes. I broke it. Alright, so note to self, do not use this for outlining because it was just like impossible to wipe off to make it even. Alright, next I'm going to sketch out the teeth, but because that was so hard to wipe off, I'm going to use something else. To sketch it out, I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup eye pencil. This is in the shade White. And I'm just going to start by sketching out the teeth. That is just a rough sketch of the teeth. I'm going to then be going in with some paint to fill that in. So this is just my Roses cream makeup. I'm going to be using just a little brush, just because I feel like the smaller the brush, the more detailed I can be. And then I'm going to set this paint with some white eyeshadow from my James Charles palette. And then I'm actually going to be filling this in with eyeliner because all of my eyeliners are way nicer than my paints. So I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner, and this is just a little Aesthetica eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to be outlining these teeth. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest. Whew. I always feel weird like talking after I have stuff like this on my face because I feel like it just looks weird. Next, I am going to move on to my eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyes using my Morphe eyelid primer. I'm gonna start with a transition shade, so I'm gonna be using this one right down here. This is Pinkity Drinkity, and from what I remember, it doesn't show up a whole lot, but it's a good shade just to get a little bit of color on there. Then I'm gonna go in with some of this shade right here, that is Love That, and just darken up that crease. And then I'm gonna be filling it in with this shade up here. This is Single. Next, I'm going to be going in with this one right here, all the way down here. This is Escape. I'm going to be using a lot of glitter, so I'm going to be putting down some NYX glitter primer. And then I'm going to be going in with this Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Cosmic Purple glitter. So I'm going to be patting this in on the outer sides of my eye. And then I'm going to be filling it in with my NYX glitter. This is the pink kind of holographic one. I'm just going to be placing this on the center of my eye, kind of making a halo eye out of this. I don't know how good this is going to turn out. Next, I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to be doing my face makeup, even though I probably should have done that already. I'm using my CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be mixing my ColourPop No Filter foundation and my CoverGirl True Blend. And then for concealer, I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 14. And then I'm going to set all of that with my Becca Hydro Mist and Set or something. Set and Refresh. That's it. That's it. Good job, Kelly. And then for underneath my eyes, I'm going to be going in with those same shades that I have on top. I'm going to be going in with Single, Escape, and Love That. And then I'm going to do some eyeliner. So I'm gonna really extend it into my inner corner and try and really get that cat effect. And then I'm gonna fill in my waterline with that same eyeliner that I'd use to outline down here, if I can find it. And then I'm gonna be using the NYX white shade to fill in here. That doesn't really work. I'm gonna use a brush and my jumbo pencil. Let's see. Ow. I do want to draw on eyebrows, but I am very nervous. Okay, I'm using this little tiny brush and I'm gonna use the shade Single, which is down here. And I'm just going to wet my brush so it's kind of something. And I'm gonna draw them above my eyeshadow. I actually really like that. I'm gonna be putting on some mascara. This again is my Tarte Big Ego mascara. So I popped on some lashes. These are my Instaglam ones again. I'll list everything down below. I'm awful at remembering shade names. But I do want to fill in just a little bit of like pink around the edges. So I'm gonna be using this like fluffy brush that I have and some more eyeshadow. I'm gonna be going in with this shade here, so that is that Love That shade, and just fill that in around the perimeter of my face, almost where I would be like bronzing. Dude, I love this. Can I wear my makeup like this like every single day? Not that one, since I just threw it. Oh my god, I almost threw that one too. So I'm using my ABH Aurora. I'm just gonna throw everything. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using the shade Spectra right here, that purple one. And I'm like highlighting a larger area than I normally would. I'm kind of just doing wherever I would have highlighter and blush. Cause like, yo, I feel like I need to shine. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the nose the color of my eyebrows. And again, I'm just going to wet that color and try and make a nose. I don't want to go too much into it because I don't want to take away from my eyes. But I definitely need whiskers if I'm a cat. I'm gonna use my Hank & Henry Slick with it. And this is the Blackity Black Longwear liquid eyeliner. I think that is everything that I wanted to do. So I'm just going to set it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. And I'm going to do my hair. All right. This little bun does not want to stay up. But that is the final look. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope that you guys have a really happy Halloween. Bye.